is the final look. So I'm gonna do first impressions of the palette. It is pigmented. I like it. It's pretty. I used this shade, these three, this one, these, and that one. I used most of them. I used the shimmer matte, colorful neutral, and they all worked amazing. They did skip a little when I was applying the brown shades. I think it was these, but I think it's because when I put the concealer on, I waited for like 30 minutes to an hour before I applied shadow, because I applied fresh concealer on the other eye and I didn't have that issue. So I think it was just that, not the shadow, but I don't know. I need to keep playing with it, but overall it's nice. I like all the shadows. This is how it looks up close. I recommend it. I rated 4 out of 5, 4.5 out of 5, 4 out of 5. So around there. It's pretty. The mirror. What else? Yeah, I think that's it. Check out my other video opening this if y'all are interested. So yeah, thanks for the support. Bye. Oh, and their lashes I use Body. They feel comfortable, soft. They don't poke my eye. They're amazing, soft. I recommend her lashes. And I used this coconut oil she sent me for my lips, and it landed on my hair. But it's okay. I dripped everywhere, but it's pretty. I love the overall look. Okay. Hi, I'm running out of time, so I'm gonna do the swatches. Okay, this is the palette. I'm gonna start with this brown shade, Dulce. It's called Dulce. Oh, it's pigmented. Wow, with one swatch. It's really pretty. The next shade, oops, I made a mess. Is Girl. I love the name. It's this one. This one I use for my inner corner. It's pretty. Yeah, you see, it's pretty. The next shade is Weeds. This one. I use this one for my lid. Okay. I love this one. The next shade is Garland. I used it for my lid as well in the center. It's shimmery, it's pigmented. Look at that one. I love green. I love green, the shadow green. The next shade is Gold. Oh, no. Self-Love. I haven't tried this one yet. I'm yet to try it. I might use the gold one next. Probably not. I don't know. What's this one? This one, Bloom, I used for my crease. It's like a dark brown. Okay, that's the first round. Now I'm gonna swatch the yellow one I used for my waterline. It's really pigmented. Yellows are not as pigmented, but this one was. I like this one. Yellow. Okay, the next one is Girl. That one. I think I used this one also, but I'm not sure. Orange. The next one is called Weeds. I don't think I used it. Here you go. I'm gonna try to swatch it this way so I can see. The next one is Garland. It's like a reddish. It's pretty. I haven't used it. The next one I use for my shimmer is called White Lily. I like this shade. Oops, let me do it more close. There. The next shade is Bloom. Did I use it? I forgot. No. It's brown, light brown. The last row is called Cherry Blossom. Ooh, it's like a pink champagne glittery. I like that shade. Okay, the next shade is called Bouquet. It's pretty. The next shade I use, for my bottom crease, it's a teal shade. It's called No Rain. There. The third to last shade is called No Flowers. Did I use it? No. I wanted to use it today, but I already used the other shimmer. It's a teal. And the next one is called Flourishing. It's a brown. And the last one is called Butterfly Kiss. I used this one for my crease. So yeah, those are all the shades. They're all very earthy. So yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed my swatches, because they feel nice, soft, and buttery. So yeah, I hope y'all like this video. Okay, bye.